Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, December 1, 2022. Starting today, there will be an improvement in garbage collection island-wide. This comes as 50 new trucks and 10 motorcycles have been added to the fleet of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA. They were handed over during a ceremony at the National Heroes Park yesterday. The new units, valued at approximately $6.9 million, were manufactured in China and purchased from Tankweld Limited, the local dealers for the Shackman brand of garbage trucks in Jamaica. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says they are now being distributed across the island to improve garbage collection. But he says the mission to keep Jamaica clean also needs the cooperation of citizens.
At the most basic level, we will ask you, do not throw your waste through the window. Do not throw it in the gully. We are asking you to reduce your waste footprint.
Minister of Local Government and Rural Development Desmond McKenzie says that in addition to adding more trucks, the government is looking into technological ways to enhance garbage collection.
In the new financial year, going to introduce technology in sweep cleaning. We're going to be bringing at least 10 of these sweep cleaning machines into the system to be a part of the new revolutionary approach to garbage collection and street sweeping in the country.
Of the 50 trucks, 12 will go to the west and 10 each are being assigned to the metropolitan and southern parks and markets. The remaining 8 will form part of a roving team dubbed Strategically Working to enforce and enhance public cleansing operations and programs Sweep COP. The 10 motorcycles will be used by the NSWMA's enforcement team to track down illegal dumping sites. The mobility of the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF has been strengthened by the acquisition and distribution of 25 new pickup vehicles valued at $176 million. The handover took place at the Police Commissioner's headquarters in Kingston on Tuesday. Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang says the resources will greatly enhance the JCF's frontline operations in areas such as faster response to incidents and patrolling of the streets. He says this is part of the overall commitment to equipping the police with the tools they need to carry out their duties in a safe and effective manner. The minister says the JCF is being modernized through a structured, long-term strategic plan and investment.
Vehicles provide better mobility, reliability and quick response time. And this in addition to what was handled earlier in the year. It also, we are extending that kind of activity to the various facilities of the police. During the last 2 years, I think some 134 police stations and facilities have had significant improvement on them.
2 additional unions have now signed agreements with the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service for the new restructured compensation system for government workers. On Wednesday, November 30, the Jamaica Association of Public Health Inspectors and the Staff Association of the College of Agriculture, Science and Education signed with the ministry. They bring to 17 the number of trade unions that have so far reached agreements with the government. Minister of Finance and the Public Service Dr. Nigel Clark says government is committed to implementing a public sector compensation that is fair, transparent and sustainable. He asserts that every public sector worker will be better off financially when the new system is implemented. The new compensation system will be implemented over 3 years with an effective date of April 1, 2022 and will cost approximately $120 billion over the period. Persons are being urged to be careful in the use of antimicrobials such as antibiotics to prevent the development of drug-resistant pathogens. This is known as antimicrobial resistance, AMR, classified by the World Health Organization, WHO, as a global health and development threat. AMR occurs when bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites change over time and no longer respond to medicines. This then makes infections harder to treat, increasing the risk of disease spread, severe illness, and death. Director of Veterinary Public Health in the Ministry of Health and Wellness, Dr. Lynette Peters, says persons should practice good hygiene and apply other preventative measures to reduce the need for antimicrobial agents.
If you're talking at the farm level, good infection prevention and control measures. Similarly, in human health, at the hospitals, proper cleaning up so these germs would not be around to cause infection. Proper food handling practices, very important. Washing your hands, using clean water, water that is safe, and also if there's a disease that there is a vaccine that can prevent, it's better to get vaccinated.
Dr. Peters was addressing a recent JIS think tank. And finally, the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, JADCO, is encouraging Jamaican athletes to make use of the e-learning platform offered by the World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA. The program is called the Anti-Doping E-Learning Platform, or ADL for short. It is designed to offer educational solutions for athletes, coaches, medical professionals, anti-doping organization practitioners, researchers, and other members of the clean sport community. Executive Director of JADCO, June Spence Jarrett, says athletes should use the technology to educate themselves on all things doping.
Athletes and support personnel have 24 hours to access anti-doping information regardless of your location. Wherever you are, you can access anti-doping information. And another benefit is that athletes and support personnel can complete e-learning program based on your own schedule.
Ms. Jarrett was speaking at the 9th Annual Senior Athletes Anti-Doping Education Workshop recently. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.